Chit Chat English.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
What are you doing now?
I'm talking with you.
Are you busy today?
No, not really.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I did.
What did you eat?
I had bread and tea.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
How often do you drink coffee?
Almost every day.
Where are you now?
I'm at home.
Are you alone?
Yes, I am.
What is the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love them.
What are your plans today?
I will study English.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, very much.
Why are you learning English?
Because I want to speak fluently.
Is English difficult for you?
Sometimes, but I'm improving.
How do you practice English?
I read and listen every day.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I do.
What kind of videos do you watch?
I watch conversations and stories.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, I do.
How long do you study each day?
About 1 hour.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading.
What book are you reading now?
I'm reading a simple English book.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like relaxing music.
Can you play any instruments?
No, I can't.
Do you sing?
Sometimes, for fun.
What is your favorite food?
I like rice and chicken.
Can you cook?
Yes, a little.
What do you cook best?
I cook eggs very well.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do.
What fruit do you like most?
I like apples.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I try to.
Do you exercise?
Yes, sometimes.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I go for walks.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite sport?
Football is my favorite.
Do you watch sports on TV?
Sometimes.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I do.
What is your hobby?
I enjoy reading and learning.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I do.
Which app do you use most?
I use YouTube most.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
Are you a talkative person?
Sometimes.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, very much.
Where would you like to go?
I'd like to visit Paris.
Have you traveled before?
Yes, a few times.
What is your favorite place?
I like peaceful places.
Do you prefer cities or villages?
I prefer villages.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't.
What animal do you like most?
I like cats.
What time do you usually sleep?
Around 10 o'clock.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I am.
Do you work or study?
I study.
What are you studying?
I'm studying English.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I really do.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
What kind of movies do you watch?
I like comedies.
Did you watch a movie recently?
Yes, I did.
Was it good?
Yes, it was great.
Do you like shopping?
Sometimes.
What do you usually buy?
I buy clothes and books.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
Do you wear watches? Yes, sometimes. Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Do you like driving?
Yes, it's enjoyable.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
Do you cook every day?
Not every day.
What is your favorite drink?
Tea is my favorite drink.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, Always.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with family.
Do you like weekends?
Yes, I love weekends
Why do you like them?
because I can relax.
Do you enjoy nature?
Yes, very much.
Do you like mountains?
Yes, they are beautiful.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax and study.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I do.
What do you take photos of?
Nature and family.
Do you have a dream?
Yes, I do.
What is your dream?
To speak English confidently.
Do you think practice is important?
Yes, it is very important.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
What are you thinking about now?
I'm thinking about my future.
Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I do.
Will you continue learning English?
Yes, every day.
Thank you for talking with me.
You're welcome. It was nice talking to you.